Okay, so today's phonics, we are going to be thinking about how to read plurals, okay? So I've written two sentences and I'm just going to just quickly recap with you what we've learnt so far, okay? So let's have a go together. So I'll give you a chance actually to read the sentence, see how much you can read by yourself because it's quite a long one, isn't it? You might want to pause the video if you want. Okay, so let's read it together. So, on my birthday, I got 2 watches. Okay, so we know watches needs to be plural because more than one watch. Good. And can you see here we've got ES, watches. Good. So on my birthday I got 2 watches and 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, 3 pairs of shoes. Good, okay, so we must have an uncountable noun because we can't just say shoes, we've got to say pairs of shoes. Good. On my birthday, I got 2 watches and 3 pairs of shoes. Remember, we've got a word here that ends in an E, so we need to add an S to it. Good. And we don't say shoes, we say shoes. Amazing. Second sentence. Chance to read it by yourself. Okay, fab. So, for tea, we had carrots. So we know it's more than one carrot. And we just add an S at the end here, okay? So for tea, we had carrots, radishes. Good. We need to add an ES, not just an S to the end. And tomato. We've got a noun that ends in an O, so we need to add ES, which makes the O's sound. For tea, we had carrots, radishes and tomatoes. Fab. Okay, so you've done lots of learning about plurals already. I've got a little challenge for you. Okay, so I would like you to get a piece of paper. Yeah. And I'll turn it around. Draw a line down the middle. And on one column, I would like you to put ES, like this. And in the other column, I want you to put S. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a list of words. I might put them down here actually. And then I would like you to sort them into the correct column. If you're going to make them plurals, are they going to end in ES or S? I'm going to write them for you because I don't want you to be worrying about the spelling. Okay, so the first word is match. And this is how you spell match. There we go, match. Is that going to be matches, matches or matches, matches? Okay, what do you think? The next word is, so we've had match. The next word is cross. Watch. Rich. Great. Bunch. Pig. Perch. The last one, house. Fab. Okay, so have a go. Put these words into correct column. When you make them into plurals, are they going to add ES or an S? Have a little go. Okay, let's see. Did you get them right? Okay, so there's many more that end in ES, much more common with these words. So, matches has got an ES. Matches, crosses, watches, riches, bunches, perches. The bird perches on the branches. Okay, just adding an S. Pig becomes pigs. House becomes, okay, this is a kind of tricky one. This is the one that's probably going to trick you out a little bit. Because remember, the word house already has the E at the end. So we only need to add the S. But we sound it as though it's on this side, as though it's saying es. So we say houses, houses. Fab, guys. Well done. That was amazing. Super duper.